Yellowstone, a kingdom of fire and ice, where legends are born and ancient rhythms play out beneath the sky.
Here, the wild wolves are not just hunters. They're architects of the land.
And their story is a tapestry of survival, family, and mystery. From a daring reintroduction in 1995, the wolves of Yellowstone have reclaimed their rightful place. A single pack can range 30 to 50 square miles, patrolling. Every hunt is a lesson in strategy. The pack splits, flanks, and drives the elk toward the river. Success means survival for the whole clan. Failure means a night of hunger. The howl, an ancient language. It defines territory, calls family, and even strengthens social bonds. Life is relentless. Disease, territorial battles, and the cruel grip of winter test every member. Yellowstone's wolves echo a timeless truth. When we protect the wild protects us.